So I'm pretty sure that many of you guys know what Linktree is. It's a link in bio tool where now that you can store different things like your social media links, links to other things like courses, seminars, and other video links and whatnot. I'm pretty sure that Linktree is something that everyone knows. So there's no two ways about it. As you can see, one link share everything. You can create, curate, and sell everything. As you can see here. But what if I told you that there are some Nigerian Linktree alternatives, like Nigerian made like platforms that you can use that are similar to Linktree and everything? What if I told you that these exist? Initially, I decided to give ChatGPT the job to find these ones for me. So let's see what ChatGPT has done. Let's see what job it has done. Okay, link number one. What the heck is this? Okay, link number two. Okay, link number three. Okay, link number four. This isn't a link in bio tool, by the way. This is where you sell courses and stuff, so it doesn't count. Okay, let's see. Link number five. So as you can see, ChatGPT gave me all the wrong stuff. But however, I'm gonna be giving you all the right stuff that you can use because I'm better than ChatGPT when it comes to finding this stuff. Okay, so you guys are gonna see two Nigerian Linktree alternatives in this video. The first Nigerian Linktree alternative is this one here called Mylinky.africa. So if you go to this URL here, you're going to easily be able to access it. As you can see here, you have different things that you can see right here, blah 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 blah, and so on. As you can see, now this is a cool link in bio too because there are different things that I want to show you when it comes to this whole thing. Now, before I show you the features of my Linky, this is a page that I've made in my Linky. As you can see, my emails here, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I linked a YouTube video here, which you guys should actually go and watch. And then I even link another thing here as well, like this. As you can see here, this is beautiful. I can even share it like this. And then from there, I can make it into a QR code and everything, which you guys can scan if you want to. Now, as you guys can see, I'm inside my link. I can see the analytics. I can see how many people have entered my linky. Like to see everything here, I can see that all. And then from there, these are the bios I've created and everything. I can come to my main one like this. I can come here and I can see all these things like visit hours, languages, I can see all this data here. Like there's so much data I can look into here. And then from there, I can see what country everyone is from. I can see all that type of stuff, cities, where the things are coming from, where like this is a very, very nice tool. I love how it's showing me like literally everything. I can see the last person that has checked my, stuff here. Cool. Someone in Brazil. Shout out to Brazil, baby. At the same time, I can also edit my stuff. You want to click on edit, I can come here. From there, I can add a block, like I can add things like links, heading, paragraphs, and so on. Like there's so much that you can add here. Like all should just be slowing down or pausing to see everything you can add, because this is honestly really cool in my opinion, as you can see. And even for any block I have, I can come here, I can see different things, that I can view it like this, and then from there it directs me here. Like, you get what I mean? And look, see, even does this thing here. Like, let me show you. It has this feature where now that, for example, if I want to edit this, I can, edit different things for any block I have here. As you can see, I can put a picture, I can make the text color, I can even give it an animation. Like, as you can see, I made it to wobble. I can see where I can make it to like swing and everything, and then from there I'll update it, and then just watch this. Okay, so we're just gonna come back here, and then I'll click on to view it. Let's view. Watch. See, the animation is cool. Okay, so for some reason I noticed that I'm not able to save that thing. Like, I can't update the animation for some odd reason. But however, I can see my statistics based on this link here and see how many people have viewed it and everything. As you can see, I can see the different people who have viewed it and stuff, which is really nice. As you can see here, I can see different things here, which is cool. Now for my Linky, I'll just say this. Currently, my Linky has this issue. So let me just show you an example. Okay, let's assume that I have this thing here and I want to delete this page. See, I can't delete it. I can't at all. Okay, so let's just say, okay, now I want to create a new link, like a new bio link page or something. I can simply just, type in this random stuff and I click on try to create one, and look, it won't let me. So currently I can't create any new pages or delete things or alter things for some odd reason. I don't know why, but maybe it might not affect you as a new user. I'm not sure, but currently for my stuff, I'm not able to do that for some reason. Now, my Linky also has some page, like for example, let's say you want to export your analytics for your links to like a PDF or something like that. I just click on this. Then from there, I have to upgrade my plan if I want to do so. Then you have the free plan where you can do all these things here. Then you can either pay like 5,000 naira a month, which is not a bad price at all, or if you want to do the annual plan, you pay 50,000 naira a year, which is not bad, as you can see here. Look, these are all the stuff you get with the annual plan. The next Nigerian link in bio tool has to be Lynka. Now, Lynka essentially is like, a new one that I found out about recently from Instagram, and I follow them there. I even use this thing on for my Instagram bio, which I think is really cool. As you can see here, you see the pricing is free $0, or if you want to do pro monthly $5, or yearly, you just pay like $45 a year, and you pay $3.75 a month. Now, this is my Lynka dashboard. I can upgrade to pro if I want some advanced stuff here. If I click on QR code like this right now, I can easily able to do this thing. But for some reason, this QR code thing isn't working. Weird. So I can see the views, the clicks, and everything for my stuff. I can add a new link if I want to. Let me just click on that first of all. From there, as you can see, I've added my TikTok, my Instagram, my YouTube. I can add a new one, and as you can see, I can title it to whatever I want. I can put a URL. I can use any of the icons they have available, or I can upload like my own icons if I want to. So yeah, that's how this is. It looks really nice, honestly speaking. And then from there, I can basically change the theme and design. I can make it to be a light mode or dark mode, but personally, I like the light mode better. If you want the other things, you have to pay to upgrade it. You can change the layout style, the typography and stuff, which is not bad and everything. You can even have these like additional options that you have to pay for, obviously speaking. So yeah, that's how it is. Plus, you can see your link activity here. You can even see your analytics and everything. As you can see, all that stuff here. But if you want more insights, then you have to pay for that. But let me show you my Linker page, like how it looks like. Okay, guys, so this is how the Linker page looks like. See everything here. Everything looks all cool and arranged and everything. I can click on share here like this, and then from there, it will share a link and everything. I can send it to Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email, and everything, which is pretty cool, not gonna lie. But in the end of the day, which one should you go for? Lynka.app or Mylinky.africa? Now, here is my opinion on this. Personally speaking, if you want something from a more technical standpoint that has a lot more features and all that type of stuff, like you just want something that can give you more features, more information, more technicalities, and everything, like in the good type of technicalities and stuff, then Mylinky.africa is the place that you should be going to. But currently, since they're having this issue where now that I can't, alter my links or add or delete anything, then I don't think you should go there right now. Maybe currently they might be fixing this thing up. Maybe after this video is posted, things might be working better. I do not know. Let's just hope. But then, however, for Lynka.app, I would say this is much simpler to use. This is less technical. This one is super easy to understand. So that is why I would recommend Linka. Like for people who, they want something that's simple, that's easy, that's straightforward, that doesn't feel stressful. Do you get what I mean? I would recommend this to anyone who just wants to start a content creation newly and they just want something that's simple, fine, and it will help them to calm down and everything. But if you're someone who likes the technical stuff more, you want to be way more serious and everything, you want to understand stuff better, then I would say my Linky is a better option. And plus, my Linky is cheaper than Linka. You get what I mean? Like 5,000 naira a month or 50,000 naira a year. That's much cheaper than this. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Which one of these link in bio tools that are Nigerian made will you be using? Please comment below. And as always, I hope I see you guys next time. Goodbye.